It's a moderate hike and it already starts uphill. Let's get to it. So far, it's been uphill. Maybe it'll level off here in a little bit. Got this old woman huffing and puffing. It's rocky and uneven and muddy. We're going to see the waterfall. Alright, there's the trail marker and what it looks like, so we're on the right trail. It's still going uphill. This part of the trail is covered in tree roots, so I have to navigate over these and not trip and fall. That would not be good.